decided that I'm gonna do another cooking show. Back in the old days, like not in this generation, people use flour, baking powder, eggs, and sugar to make pancakes. But today, we're going to be using this one, pancake flour. This one is what we use now in this generation to make pancakes because we're too lazy to get almost all the ingredients. So, yeah. So, thank you, Lord, for groceries to make this easier for our lives. Crack the eggs. Like I said in the other video, the Maria video, you need to crack your eggs first so that you see if it's rotten or not rotten. This is not rotten. Now that we cracked the egg, we're gonna add our pancake flour. I'm gonna. Okay guys, so we have our pan, so we're gonna put oil in it. So we're gonna scoop our mix. Scoop it up. Scoop it up. If you guys want a smaller pancake, you can do like less. When you know it's okay now is when there's bubbles around the whole thing. Now you guys can flip it because there are bubbles. Perfect pancake! Technical difficulties, guys. We're done with one pancake on the plate, right there. It's so tiny. But now I'm gonna do a big pancake. Put it in. Rolls. It's kind of an oval shape. Okay. Sorry for that, guys. It's double pancake time, so I'm gonna flip this over. Don't mind the color though. Okay, that's it. We have another pancake. So guys, I have never cooked pancakes like this. Usually I have an adult helping me with making pancakes. Like, for example, every time I have breakfast, I go outside to the kitchen and cook the pancakes on the stove. But this one is a portable stove. That one is not a portable stove. Yeah, a lot. And even here on the sides. And the top. I popped the bubble, oh no! One knife. Ah! It's perfect! Except that that is so sad. I'm gonna check if it's okay. Yeah, it's fine. And I'm on sem break! If you guys have hobbies and stuff, sem break or vacation is the best time to do it because you don't have school or work or something like that. Flip. The next batch after this, I'm gonna make for Mr. X. Shh, don't tell him. Oh, it's cooked already. Okay, that's enough. Mr. X has the biggest pancake. Bubbles! Okay, so now that there are bubbles, a lot of bubbles. Hopefully I don't destroy this pancake. I did it! I did it, guys! I did a pancake for Mr. X. I'm so happy for myself right now. Okay guys, this might be the biggest pancake I'm ever gonna make.